Hey guys, and today we are going to play Roblox on this game. I forgot, Ragdoll engine without extra jack guess though, which was fun with extra jack guess. 3, 2, 1, go, up, go, and you fall downstairs. Don't. I may fall into pizza, but it's okay. Go on, get down. How high am I? Yeah. Okay then. Let's go ahead and go. Well, he left. You can't push me. Bunny. Who resetted it? You? Who resetted it? Come on. Click the button. It's a cow. It'll take for ages, so let's go. I'm not waiting. Run. Before it gets taken over by someone else. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! I got to the end again. Like one of my other videos, I got to the end and that was cool. And I got to the end again. Go. Make sure it's fast. That took ages. I want to do it again. Okay, not that far.
So much. Stop.
That's my brother in the background. Okay. Bye guys, and make sure to like and subscribe to Extra Jack Guest. And wait, I forgot. Let me just do one more thing. One more thing. Okay. Bye guys, and make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to subscribe to Extra Jack Guests too, and bye bye. That was fun.